Viral TikTok video shows you how to find out what Google knows about you. It's another day and another viral TikTok video. And you know what else, Will? When you click on this viral TikTok video, you know what you're going to notice? It's that same damn song again. This song...
Which one? There's a couple.
I can't sleep at night. It's this song!
Is it the Oh No song?
Yes, it is! What is going on, man? Why does it have to be that every time?
I don't know. It's iconic. You know?
This song was nowhere, and then the TikTok thing, and then
Sure.
and then my whole life is this song, and I can't even. Here I am. I'm not even on TikTok, and anyway,
You're just mumbling it.
I got it in here
Humming
because
it.
a lot of people don't, I guess, recognize this or pay attention to this. You actually did this the other day. You just you hop on
I sent you
Google
the link.
and you just check out how they profile you.
Yeah.
Because you have this comprehensive profile. You're a Google product user. And they know some stuff about you for ad targeting. Anyway, so I guess most people on TikTok don't know how to access that. So here's the viral clip. It's called Everything Google Knows About You. And go ahead. Well, yeah, click play. Go ahead. Now, I'm not going to play the song.
Sure.
So you better not ask me to turn this up. But it's a girl. She types out ad settings Google. And you can do this yourself. And it'll be the top link after you type ad settings Google. And it will take its best guess at your age, your variety of interests. It's very comprehensive. I've done this for myself as well. I'm amazed at how many interests I have. When I look through it,
Yeah.
I'm like, wow. Very granular, like power supplies. I saw power supplies in there as one of my interests. Imagine that. You never knew.
Did they get your age right?
My age was right. Everything was right.
Oh.
Yeah, everything was right. Your age was wrong. They thought you were a little older.
I was like 50.
You're 50. But that kind of maybe some of your...
Maybe it's my interest.
Yeah, some of your interests might trend a little older. I don't know. I don't know if people take comfort in knowing that it's not precise and exact, but just taking its best guess. Now, the other thing I should mention about this is you can turn this ad tracking off if you choose to. You're not completely stuck with it. But obviously, this was a surprise to a number of people, hence the viral clip, which now has, 165,000 hearts, and 1.3 million views. And that's just one person typing a quick Google.
Should I try this?
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Live on the air.
What's the link?
I don't think there's any risk to that. All you have to do is, you're going to take the advice of the TikTok video, which is to simply Google, that had the damn song, ad settings. It's just called ad settings. Yeah, you just go ahead. And are you logged into your account that you would normally use?
No.
Oh,
It's
wow.
my
Well, okay, you can check this one.
later.
You can check that one.
Is that the site? Ad settings.
Just Google that. It'll be the top
okay.
link. Yeah, it's right there. Bingo. Here we are. Oh, okay. Yeah. Did it get the age? Oh, on this account, you're younger than you
wow.
actually are.
Okay.
And I would say this stuff is not. Ooh, they got the company size wrong. They think you work for a large employer. They couldn't be more wrong about that. 250 to 10,000 employees. They got that wrong. What else? Do they have anything? They said you're upper middle class.
Oh.
Easy, Will. Relax. Not a parent. That's correct. Home ownership status. You're a homeowner. They know that. Of course they know that.
TV reality shows.
That's not
Talk
real.
shows. Urban transit. I
No?
would say it's like 50-50.
50. It's better than 50-50, man. Come on. Alcohol and gambling. It's perfect. No, that's because you can take those out individually.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's not really that crazy. But I guess some people are surprised. It's just a hot topic right now, this whole privacy thing.
Yeah.
It's super private.